Have you ever posted something on Instagram, whether that is a photo, carousel, or reel, and you wanted to remove it from your profile, but you don't want to delete it because you might want to bring it back later? Hi, and welcome back to day 72 of 100 social media tips. Why do people archive their posts? Some people want to archive their posts on Instagram because they no longer want it to show up on their profile. Some people archive their posts because they have a promo or sale that is relevant to a specific time period and they no longer want it to showcase on their feed, or they just want to curate their feed and how it looks, and maybe they don't want to delete it because they want to bring it back later. If you delete a post, you won't get to see the analytics or any of the insights once it's gone. So archiving your post allows you to remove it from your profile, but still look at the analytics, even bring it back if you want to put it back on your profile. I've seen creators also do this when a certain post starts to go viral and they don't want it to go viral because it's not engaging with their current audience and it's just on the wrong side of the algorithm. Archiving it means they can hide it temporarily and then bring it back when they want to. Let's get right into the video. So I have this account here. It is July currently, and this post is specifically saying bookings open from July to August. Let's just say that it is already September or October, and this post is no longer relevant to having a profile. So what you want to do is at the top right-hand corner, you'll see these three dots. You want to tap this, and then you can see this archive button. So we just tap that, just takes a moment, and now the post is archived. Now we can see on our profile, this post is no longer there. If I want to bring it back, what I can do is in the profile section on the top right hand corner in the hamburger menu, we click the menu and then see we have archive. If your archive looks like this, it is showing you your story archive. So it's showing you any stories that you've posted in the past. For this, you can look at the analytics of your stories and even download them, but we actually want to go into post archive to recover that post. I click at the top menu here and then I click into post archive. Now I can see here all the posts that I have previously archived. I can go into set a post, say it's this one for example, and I want to bring it back in the profile. So again, click the three dots and here it will say show on profile, where before it would say archive post. And now I click show on profile. It just takes a few seconds, but now if we go back onto the page, I can see the post is there, and that's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.